Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how you can change screen time passcode in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the iPhone settings. Scroll down, click on screen time. Scroll down, click on change screen time passcode. Now click on change screen time passcode from the pop. Go ahead and enter your old screen time passcode. Now type in your new screen time passcode. Repeat the new screen time passcode again. Then you'll be prompted to set screen time passcode recovery. Go ahead, type in your email or phone number, and then your Apple ID password to continue. You can also click on cancel and then skip from the pop. This is going to disable or turn off the passcode recovery for the screen time. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to change screen time passcode in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.